Hello, hello, hello. So now we're going to our little farm. Char. Oh my god, it's so muddy here. It's been raining here because of the Bagyong Krising. And there's construction. Oh, there's no day. Guys, the wave is super big. It's dangerous to go fishing right now. And look at the wave. The waves. Oh, look at that. And look at the wind, guys. Super strong. Super. I don't know if you can still hear me. Look, guys, how big. So this is our little farm, guys. Charot. There's a corn. So we have here a corn and cassava plant and banana. It's very good. My farm is just near in the sea. Oh, we also have here a buttermelon. Here, this one. Our corn is healthy. Look at that, super windy. Oh my god. Oh, this is the cassava. We also have here a papaya, a little papaya. We are here because they're going to harvest the corn. There's a big corn naman, so. We also have here sugar cane. This one. Yeah. They're so hardworking. Very hardworking parents. Also, what I'm doing here. So look at this, guys. They are over there talking with a guy. I don't know what's his name. I don't know when they were going to start harvesting. They're still talking there. Oh my goodness. Oh, because of the wind, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's the wind's fault, not my fault, huh? It's already kung ano man, oh. They're just going to harvest the corn, not the cassava, because it's still not mature. Go, 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 go there. Oh, very green. Sa Chadam. Little plant of banana. Ay, ambot. They're more tall than me. How short I am. My hair is so messy. We have here a sweet potato. Look at this. But it's little pa. Over there, not too much. Potato. Sweet potato. Finally, they're going to start na. They're done talking to the guy.
Hong Kong. Japan.
Oh. Pag start harvesting na, mother. Where are you going? Our dog here surveying our farm. Sige. Balik. Yan na, anak. Ako may patulan na yun.
Anong puti? Kare ang sa osa. Mm. Ano? Ano na?
Hey, doggy. Oh, it's enough na daw. Guys, it's raining na here. Oh, it's raining. Ayun, I can see it pala. Dapa. Nga na naggo, tapos papagsakuan sa dahon sa saging. Let's help because it's raining, Char. I want to help, boy. Even without camera. Ow. I can't hold this. It's raining. Going to get the leaves for our goat. The wind is super, so strong, and also the waves there. Oh my god, it's raining na, guys. I'm going home. The wind is pushing me. Oh my. Okay. They already secured their boat for the big waves. Oh my god, it's so cool. Ate, careful. You might fall. Char. She's a single mom, so she's the one to repair it. So yeah, this is our goat. This is our goat, guys.
Mayroon kami sa... Mayroon kami ani kami. Saan? Mayroon kami ani. Saan? Saan? Sahol. Sahol, importante siya.